Imagine this. A beautiful 22-year-old girl leaves home with her fiancé for the trip of a lifetime. They're living in a van, visiting America's most beautiful national parks, posting happy photos every day. But just weeks later, her family can't reach her. Her fiancé returns home alone, driving her van. What really happened to Gabby Petito? Today, we uncover the disturbing true story of her murder, a case that broke millions of hearts around the world. If you have a weak heart, pause now. Otherwise, stay till the end. Gabby Petito was a 22-year-old girl from Long Island, New York. She was full of life, loved traveling, and dreamed of becoming a travel blogger. In July 2021, she and her fiancé, Brian Laundrie, left New York in a white Ford Transit van for a 4-month road trip across America. On social media, their life looked perfect: mountains, sunsets, and young love. But behind the camera, things were not okay. Brian was very controlling, and their relationship was becoming toxic. On August 12, 2021, in Moab, Utah, police pulled over their van after someone reported them fighting. Bodycam video shows Gabby crying and very upset. She told officers that Brian had slapped her and grabbed her face. Brian stayed calm and said they both had arguments. The police separated them for one night. The next day, they let the couple continue their trip. Many people later asked if the police had taken stronger action that day, would Gabby still be alive? Towards the end of August, Gabby stopped replying to her family's messages. Her last call with her mother was around August 25th. On August 27th, witnesses saw the couple arguing near Jackson, Wyoming. After that, the van was seen parked alone at a camping spot called Spread Creek. Then Brian drove the van all the way back to Florida alone. He used Gabby's debit card and sent strange messages from her phone. On September 11th, Gabby's family officially reported her missing. The whole country started searching for her. On September 19th, 2021, search teams found Gabby's body in a remote camping area in Wyoming. The coroner ruled her death a homicide. She died from manual strangulation and blunt force injuries to her head and neck. Brian became the main person of interest, but he had already disappeared. In October, Brian's remains were found in a Florida nature reserve. He had taken his own life. In his notebook, he wrote that he killed Gabby to end her suffering, but many believe it was just an excuse. Gabby was only 22 years old. She had big dreams and a bright future. Her life was taken away in a toxic relationship. Today, the Gabby Petito Foundation helps victims of domestic violence. The message is loud and clear: never ignore the red flags. If someone controls you, isolates you, or hurts you, speak up and ask for help. What do you think? Did the police miss a chance to save Gabby? Tell me in the comments. If you want more true crime stories like this, hit the like button, share this video, and subscribe with the bell on. Stay safe, everyone. Take care of the people around you. This one's for Gabby.